Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use Namecheap VPN, so please listen carefully to each step. So before starting, make sure that you have an active Namecheap VPN subscription, but if you don't have one yet, then go to the security section and then go ahead and click VPN and just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will click this button right here which says Get Fast VPN, and now you can either choose from monthly plan, 1 year plan, 3 year plan, or whatever VPN that you actually prefer. So for example, I would want a 1 month plan of VPN, so I'll just have to click that and then just wait for the site to load. And then what you will do is basically just have to provide one or more valid payment methods. So whatever payment method that you prefer, for example, credit card, PayPal account. So it really depends on you, and then you will just have to confirm your payment and then fill in the required details that Namecheap would ask you. And after all that, after you've purchased your VPN, what you will have to do is download the Namecheap VPN app for your device. It is available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. And then after that, you will just have to install the app, and then you will have to log in using your Namecheap credentials. So you can also search for it actually, Namecheap VPN, and this one. So you can just actually download it. So search for Namecheap VPN, and then it should show something like this. But if it's not visible for you, then you must make sure that you're accessing the right right site. So here you see fast VPN for Windows PC. So you can just go ahead and click download so that you will be able to actually have the VPN for your Windows or whatever it is that you have. So after you've installed your VPN, what you will have to do is make sure that your uh that your Namecheap credentials is utilized for it, and then you will select a server location from the list provided, and you can choose based on speed or privacy needs. And finally, you will just have to click connect, and once connected, your internet traffic is encrypted and private. Then you will just have to double check that the VPN icon shows as active, and you can disconnect anytime by clicking disconnect in the app. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good day.